guys. So, have you ever done something where you've said to yourself, this is going to turn out horrible. It's going to turn out awful. But it's like a train wreck and you can't stop yourself from doing it. That is what I did. So, if you want to see, come along for the ride. So, guys, I placed another order from Wish. Yeah, I did. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm like, maybe I was just unlucky. They had some cute stuff. I mean, it looked cute. And I did. And, you know, as usual, it took like 2 months to get to me. So you get to see my Wish order. Plus, I have, at the end, something that will be better, which is a bonus julep unboxing. This, I didn't even really order because, you know, I just kind of ignore my julep account and things get sent. And then I'm like, what the hell did I get? I don't know. So anyways, let's go to the first package. I need to just do ad blocker is what I need to do because Wish, yeah. So this is supposed to be a dress. What the frick? So this is a dress. Oh my God. Okay, I was expecting this dress to, number one, be made out of maybe a nice knit fabric. I don't know if you can see that. It's more of that crappy lining. And this is supposed to be a nice cute dress. Oh, look at the hem. Yeah. Crappy hem. Made by people who don't give a shit that, I don't know, maybe their life is just so crappy that they have to pass the crap on to us. Oh my God. This looks, I mean, this truthfully looks absolutely nothing like the video. I mean, I'll try to put it on. I don't think I'm going to be able to wear it. But, okay, I just cussed. I'm going to cut that out. That's horrific. Yeah. What is wrong with me? I don't know what's wrong with me. So this is supposed to be a cute little faux fur vest. And it is faux fur. I was kind of worried that, you know, they would say faux fur and it would actually be, you know, dog. So, I mean, it's okay. I don't know. I don't think it was worth what I paid for it. Because I think this was like $14. And I think Dobby could do a better job of sewing this. So, yeah. Okay, last item from my Wish order. Oh my God. And I will attempt to do a try on of this stuff because, yeah, nothing's complete without a really crappy try on. So these are supposed to be, you know, like faux suede boots. This fabric is that really kind of cheap velvet type stuff. In no way is this faux suede or even close to anything like what you would think suede. And is there a zipper? I mean, normally boots have zippers. There is absolutely no zipper on this. They expect you to pull this on. And then when I went, I'm pretty sure this did not have black fur. The fur was like beige, sheep skin type stuff. So yeah, no zippers. What? They really expect you to pull on boots like this? There's no stretch in this at all. I mean, nobody can pull this on. Nobody. So we've got 0 out of 3 items that are quality, 0 out of 3 items that are cute, 0 out of 3 items that look like their photo on Wish, 0 out of 3 items that I'm probably going to be able to wear. Shame on me. Shame on them. Don't order from Wish. Yeah, after another order, I mean, Jesus, no way. All right, so let's see what I got from Julep. I mean, seriously, I need some good news right now because that was bad news. Alrighty. Nail polish. I wouldn't have ordered any more nail polish. I have over 400 nail polish, so yeah. Oh, but, these are pretty. Really close. Ooh, it's sort of like bronze with blue and green. And then this one, I guess you'd say that this one is kind of purpley, glittery. And this one is another duochrome. This one looks like purple and blue, and I don't think it's going to really show up. I'll have to do maybe some swatches and do it up close to the camera so you guys can see. So anyways, I am going to try this hot mess on. And you can laugh. I'm okay if you laugh at me. Because seriously, I deserve to be laughed off this freaking planet for trusting Wish again. Alright, I'll see you in a snap. Alright, this looks absolutely nothing like the dress that I ordered. Here, can you see this? Can you see this? How horrible this is sewn? Look at the neck. Look at this piece of shite. That's ridiculous. It fits so poorly. And oh, you want to see the boots? Yeah, frickin' boot. Boot that I can't get on, that will not pull up. Because there's no zippers in these MFers and they have no stretch. No stretch. No zippers. Nothing. These are a size 10. Okay, I don't wear a size 10. I sized up. No. Just say no. Because it's ridiculous. Oh my God. Yeah. Slimy interface fabric. The best. God. This is ridiculous. Because I can already tell the armholes are cut so high. If you're going to wear this with a sweater or something, your armholes are going to cut you up. I'm like, who the heck does armholes that tiny? What, for dolls? I mean, I don't consider myself a large woman. Yeah. Don't. Just walk away from the Wish app because it's atrocious. All right, I'm gonna swatch next those polishes from Julep because I have to have something good for my day. This is just. These nail polishes have given me a little bit of hope and happiness in this Wish-tainted day. So here we have, that's Daily, Primrose, and Aloha. So those are gorgeous. I mean, I definitely see myself wearing those. They're just beautiful. This is just ridiculous. How do they get away with this? Why do people buy from them? Tell me, do you order from Wish? Do you order clothes from Wish? Why? Why do you buy from Wish? It's insane. Yeah, never again. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. And I'm not going to be ashamed anymore. So Wish, you're gone.